Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know the credit card limits for Santander Bank's credit card and how can it be increased. The credit card limitation for Santander Bank can vary depending on the several factors including specific card type, the application's card worthiness, income and other financial information as well. Now Santander's, like most banks, does not publicly disclose specific credit limit ranges from their credit card and determined on a case-by-case basis. Now determining factors for credit card limit include the credit scores. Higher credit score typically qualifies for higher credit limits. Higher income can support a higher credit limit, and low ratios are favorable. And a long history of responsible credit user can result in a higher limit. And at the same time, the current customer with a positive history might receive better terms as well. So there is chances that you can increase your credit limit on Santander credit card. Here is a general step on how you can do it. The first thing is automatic increase. That is, Santander periodically review your account and automatically increase your credit limits if you have a history of one-time payment and responsible credit user. At the same time, customer indicates request. You can request a credit limit increase by contacting Santander Bank customer services or through their online banking platform. So that is basically how you can increase the credit limit for Santander Bank credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.